Okay, here's the notes. Ready? Okay, write this down. How to, let me focus this. How to draw an equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Okay, this is gonna be method one. We're gonna learn 3 different ways, but we actually already know this one. This one is method 1. An equilateral triangle. Un triángulo equilátero is what? Going to have all 3 sides exactly what? The same measure. All 3. That's what these markings mean. So if one of the sides is 8, then they're all going to measure 8. Okay. So here it is. We've done this before. And this is the way you're going to do it. Ready? We're going to start, and obviously we're going to use a compass, but instead of the compass, we're going to use our paper clip to just make it easier for everybody. Okay, in the middle, draw a center. Put a point for your center. Go ahead and draw a nice circle around that. A nice circle. Okay. So, how do we draw an equilateral triangle? Well, I'm going to go ahead and draw a radius to the right, a horizontal radius. Okay, and this is the measure that all the 3 sides are going to have. They're going to be the same as this radius. And now, every time you have any 2 parts intersecting, go ahead and mark a point. So let's call this circle A, and now this new point is point B. Now, how do I draw 2 more sides that are the same distance, the same radius? Yeah? Okay. So, does everybody agree? If I draw, don't draw this on your paper. Don't draw this on your paper, but if I draw another line, it would be the same measure as this. But I need the third one. Any other radius that I draw would be the same as this, but I need the third side to be the same. So what I mean is this. Hold on, let me get a pencil. And just my luck, there's no pencils here. And just my luck, there's no pencils here. Okay. Here we go. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to go ahead and now, using this same radius and the same distance, instead of your center here, put your center here. Put your center here on point B. And all we have to do is, you can draw another circle if you want, but honestly, we just need this little mark right here. Right there. That's going to be point what? C. How do you know that this is an equilateral? Does everybody see the triangle? Everybody see the 3 sides? How do I know that I made sure that all these 3 sides are exactly the same length? Because, does everybody agree that this one, let me mark it in yellow. This is the radius, right? That was the first side that I'm using. And does everybody agree, if I'm on the red circle, that's also, if I draw this segment, it also has the same measure because it's still the same radius. It's still the same radius. Right? Do you agree this measure is the same as this because it's the same radius on the same circle? And now, how do we know that this one is also, this third side is also the same? How do you know it's the same measure? How do you know that side is also the same measure? Because I'm using the same paper clip here and I'm maintaining that same radius, but I put the center on this side. See, now it's the same. It's almost like if you draw another circle here. You can draw another circle if you want. You can see it that it's, oops, I messed up. You can draw another circle. See, but these two circles are the same circle. They have the same measure radius. That will make these three sides. The three sides are the same. Yeah? So this is an equilateral triangle. Okay.